Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So like I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did my strawberry nails because I know I'm going to get lots of questions on these over the next couple of weeks when I do DIYs and stuff and they've got them in. So I always like to film like my fun nail designs so then I can redirect you back to the video and that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's 3 days now, so like 3 full days until my Kickstarter ends, so you have until Sunday to pre-order your pin. I noticed a few of you came over last night, thank you so much. We are so close to unlocking that second design. It's unreal. I think I probably need around 6 more people to like just buy one pin and then the second design will be unlocked, which is amazing. So yeah, I just want to put that out there that all of the information and stuff will be down in the description. I'm not going to go on about it whatever today, just short and sweet, and that is the end of that. So yeah, just gonna show you how I did my strawberry themed nails. Okay, so just wanted to quickly run you through the products that I'm using today just before I start. So I'm using the IBD in hard gel and I use the clear one, and this is just the one I used. I have a 14-gram pot, just a little one, but this goes a really long way. This one here I've probably had since around about January, I think it was the new year, that I bought this one. It's a bit mucky but it still does the job. The base colour that I'm using is this Blue Sky gel polish. It just has this number on the bottom. It's a really old one. I found it when moving out. I've had this probably like 5-6 years, but again it still does the job, and that's the pink base colour. It's just a really nice pink. For the red strawberries I used this one, which is called Pillar Box Red, it says on the bottom. This is one that I bought at Christmas time and it's a really nice Christmassy red, but that is what I used on the strawberries. For the tops of the strawberries I used this colour, which is called Lush Tropics. It's like a proper green colour, like the tropical green. Obviously it's in the name, but yeah, it worked really well for the tops of my straws. To put the little dots on them I used this colour here, which is a nude shade. I used a white to begin with but didn't really like it, it was too bright, so I used this one called Naked Naivety, not sure, but this one here is by CND. Just really like this one as a nude, and it's just a good shade. And then for a top coat I just used this wipe free clean free UV top coat, which I just got off Amazon. Works really well actually. So yeah, that's the products that I used to get these nails. Okay, so for the first step I wanted to reinforce my natural nails. I didn't add any extensions on, anything like that, because I just didn't need them. My nails have grown so much that I actually filed them down right before this video, but they still end up being really long. So I just used the IBD hard builder gel just to reinforce them. I put 2 layers on in total, just like scooping it up with my little brush, popping it onto the nail and then spreading it over evenly, and making sure, you know, to go thinner towards the ends so that just in case they break, it's not gonna like break my whole nail off, because this stuff is so strong. It's amazing, it lasts the test of time, but I do find that it can be a little bit painful if you put it too thick, so make sure you don't do that. I hold my hand upside down to help gravity, you know, round it off a little bit, and then I use my UV nail lamp just to cure it down. I do move my UV lamp away from all of my gels and stuff, so it's kind of hard to film. I just don't want any accidents to occur. So once I had them all reinforced, I realised that they were still a little bit too long and some of them were a little bit lumpy bumpy, so I just went in with a nail file, filed them back even more, shaped them out, and just made them nice and smooth as I possibly could, just using a nail file that I had kicking it around. If I touch my nails, I made sure to just buff it slightly back again just to remove any oils that I may have put on there, but yeah, I did that for my base. To make the base colour I used the light pink that I said about in the intro-y type bit a minute ago, and I did 3 layers of this in total, curing it for a minute and a half in between each kind of layer, just so that I could build up the colour. Because the colour is quite light, it does become quite opaque with just one, but by the time you do 3, I do 3 on this kind of colour, you end up with a really nice opaque finish. So as you can see here, I'm using that red and I'm just putting little dabs of that onto a silicone mould. I put mine onto a silicone mould so that I'm able to get it off really easy once I have finished. And I just used a dot tool basically to do these rounded like triangles. I did 2 on each of the nails, and this was for the strawberries. I find just thinking about it as a little rounded triangle just really helps me to get the outline right, and then I just colour it in with that nail polish on my dotting tool, just filling it all in so it looks really sweet and really cute. I tried to do them sort of the same kind of angles but a little bit different from each nail, and then I tried to replicate that on the other hand as well, again curing once that red was done. I only needed one layer of this red luckily, so I was able to secure that down, and then I moved on to the green. So to make the tops, I basically just did a line across the top and then brought down the middle section so that it made like this almost like a 3 shape on the top. Just brought that line across, made a line in the middle, so I had like 3 little bumps on there. 3 little bumps. I don't know how else to describe it. For the little dots on the strawberries, this is not necessary, but I felt like mine needed something a little bit extra. I used a nude colour and a bamboo skewer or cocktail stick, whatever you want to call it, and I just dabbed on little dots. I found like this would be the tiniest little dots I could do. I did start off doing white, but it looked too kind of stark and in your face, so I wiped all the white off and then did nude over it, which is why you haven't seen my left hand and you can only see me doing it on my right hand, which isn't the best job, but I still got it done, you know. Once that was cured down with my UV light, I then just used some top coat on it to seal all that in and make it nice and smooth and shiny. The one I use is from Amazon. I know the clip of that was really bright. I really do apologise. But yeah, it's just a random one of Amazon. It works really well because it's a no wipe, and I did 2 layers of that, curing in between each layer for around about a minute. So this is what my nails have turned out like. As you can see, they've all got little strawberries on. They are so cute, so shiny, so smooth as well. I put 2 layers of the top coat on in total just because I knew I had quite a few dots and stuff on there and I didn't want them to feel raised. So now they feel nice and smooth. And yeah, I don't think I've done too bad of a job. Obviously not a professional, but they're going to do for my craft videos, and the amount that I wreck nails when I get them professionally done, I may as well just learn to do them myself. So I'm really happy with how they've turned out on both hands. Usually I'm a bit funny when I do my right hand because I am actually right-handed, but I'm getting better at using both hands for art things now, so there's a plus. Yeah, really happy with the colours and everything. And there they are. Hope you like them. So after I finish all of, like, you know, my nails, doing a top coat, and then obviously they're done, I do actually put that little silicone mould underneath my UV light, and I leave it underneath there for around about 1 to 2 minutes just to like cure off the excess kind of, you know, nail varnish, and then I'll put it back in, like I'll wipe it, put it back in and cure it again for about a minute or so, and then all of it comes off and you're left with like no sticky residue going in your bin or anything like that. Honestly, putting them on a silicone mould is just amazing. Minimal cleanup, which is something that I really appreciate. So yeah, this is how my nails have turned out. They're a gorgeous shade of pink, and then I've just got some really simple strawberries on there. I've got 2 strawberries on each nail because I thought it would make it look busy enough but not too busy. Kind of matches my jumper today, doesn't it? But yeah, really happy with these. They kind of remind me of like Strawberry Shortcake. Does anyone else remember that program from, like, when did that come out? Like ages ago, but I remember it as a kid, like Strawberry Shortcake, that girl. But yeah, really like them. They keep making me really happy when I see them, so hopefully you like them as well. Like I said at the start of the video, there is only 3-4 days left to pre-order a pin. I'm so close to unlocking that second design. I just really want to get there now. It's crazy. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye.